Hello everyone! It's cooking time show. This is Hawak Ka My channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. So tayo ay magluluto ngayon ng ground beef meatballs. Ang ground meatballs ko ay may sikreto kung paano paano gumawa ng soft, juicy, and yummy meatballs. So I will show you guys later sa middle of aking vlog kung ano ang aking secret ingredients para maging soft. Okay? So I have here the ingredients: beef, ground meat, meron akong parmesan cheese, meron akong breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and the other one. So that's the secret that I didn't mention it. Okay guys, let's go. So ito ay meatballs para sa ating spaghetti. So instead of mixing the ground beef or stew or stir fry the ground beef, gagawin ko po siyang meatballs. And then ibibake ko ito sa oven ng 400 degrees for 20 minutes bago natin gagawin yung ating sauce. This is the sauce for the meatballs and spaghetti, also the pasta. Okay, let's go guys. So I have here the ground beef, onion and garlic. Hindi ko na po pinakita, so meron akong minced garlic and onion dyan. 1 egg. Meron din akong 1 egg. Pag halo-haloin lang guys, 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Ayan. Breadcrumbs. So tapos na yan para hindi natin madubli. Ayan, tapos na rin ito. Lalagyan natin guys ng Italian seasoning para may lasa. Malasa siya. Okay. And then, of course, we need to put some salt. Ano lang, tansyahin lang natin guys. And then, ground pepper. Ayan. So, very easy, but yummy. And then, this one guys, ang sikreto ko para sa meatballs ko ay milk. So, lalagyan natin guys ng 1/2. So, this one is 1/4. I have to put another one. So, 1/2 cup of milk. Ayan po guys ang aking sikreto sa masarap and juicy na meatballs. Ang gagawin natin guys, lagyan ko siya ng konting yung ground salt na fine. Ayan. And then i-mix natin guys. So alam niyo naman guys kung paano ginawa ng meatballs, no? Of course, natin, gawin natin, ibuballs natin. Meron ako ditong measure cup para pantay, or measuring spoon, something like that. Okay, so i-mix na natin. Ito po yung ating medyo lang, tanggalin ko na yun kasi hindi ko makailangan. Okay, narinig you guys ang aking oven. Ready na daw ang 400 degrees. Oh wow, yellowish yung ating minimix kasi yung itlog ay native, so orange na orange guys yung yellow niya. Sigurong kamayin kasi nakaano naman ako. So ilalagay po natin dito. Meron na siyang sprayan ko na siya ng oil para hindi didikit. Ayan. Nakikita niyo guys. So ang kadalasan na ginagawa natin is ang spaghetti natin ay stir fry natin ng onion itong isusutay natin yung beef sa onion and garlic, and then the sauce with some hot dog or whatsoever sausage. Pero this one is, ang spaghetti and meatballs is hindi na kailangan ng mga ganun. So very simple lang. Ganyan lang siya. Hindi ko masyadong mahalo guys. Anuhin ko na lang. Dapat naka-gloves naman ako. Mas maganda ang pagkahalo pag sorry, nabubulog ako. So yeah, it's cooking time show again. Dahil hindi naman natin pwedeng i-set aside ang ating pagluluto dahil kailangan din natin magluto. So yan, gawin na natin, i-plug na rin natin. Ayan. So ang gagawin is ganyan lang. There you go. Very simple and easy. So yan guys, mabilis lang. Yan. Ewan ko guys kung ano yung style ninyo, paano gumawa. Mayroon tayong iba-ibang style or ways kung paano gumawa ng ground beef. Meron din itong parsley, pero optional lang din po, optional. Pero para gusto niyo rin na may herbs or tawag nito, parsley, pwedeng lagyan ng parsley. Pero sabi naman is, as I have said guys, it's optional. Depende po sa sa taste niyo kung ang ayaw niyo ng parsley. Pero masarap po ang parsley guys. Marami akong nakakain na parsley pag yung shabu-shabu. Pag naghahatpat kami. Ayan, marami akong nakakain kasi niluluto lang yun naman sa sabaw, sa soup. So ganyan lang guys. Oh, kita niyo. So, pagpatuloy ko lang guys hanggang matapos. Ano ko lang to para medyo hindi naman halatang hindi sila pantay. So ayan guys, tapusin ko lang yung paggagawa ko ng balls. So ayan, hope guys nagustuhan ninyo ang aking cooking time show or aking menu today. It's meatballs with spaghetti and spaghetti and meatballs. So ayan guys, thank you for watching, and I hope na nagustuhan niyo. Please comment and subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye for now and see you on my next vlog.